Welcome viewers, you're watching Bots based on true story, where we bring you stories that matters as they happen. As the world continues to move at a rapid pace, we remain your trusted source for in-depth analysis and breaking updates. Let's dive in today's lead. Delhi taxi driver strike. 3-day nationwide strike announced from May 21st. A commercial vehicle drivers in Delhi, frustrated by the continuously rising fuel prices, have decided to take a device stand. Various driver unions across Delhi have announced a 3-day nationwide strike from May 21 to 23, demanding a hike in taxi and auto rickshaw fares. The All India Motor Transport Congress has written Delhi Lieutenant Governor Taranjeet Singh Sandhu and Chief Minister Rekha Gupta formally presenting their demands. US Department drops all criminal charges against Gautam Adani. The United States of Departments of Justice has withdrawn all criminal charges against Indian industrialist Gautam Adani and his nephew Sagar Adani. With this high-profile security and wire fraud case being heard in New York has completely closed, according to Bloomberg, the Justice Department moved to the criminal charges immediately about the Finances Ministry announced a settlement. It was reported last week that Gautam Adani and Sagar Adani had jointly agreed to pay fine of $81 million to settle the case in the United States. Amit Shah to chair 26th meeting of Central Zonal Council today. The 26th meeting of Central Zonal Council will be held today in Bastar, Chhattisgarh, chaired by Union Home Minister Amit Shah. The meeting is scheduled for 11 am at Jabalpur on Tuesday, May 19, 2026. The Chief Minister of 4 states, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Uttarakhand and Chhattisgarh will attend, along with Chief Secretaries and other senior officials. The meeting will focus on the interstate administrative coordination and policy matters. WHO declares Ebola a global emergency. India on high alert in response to recent Ebola outbreaks in the part of Democratic Republic Congo and Uganda. India has ramped the precautionary measures. Following the World Health Organization declaration of the public health emergency of international concern, the Union Health Ministry is closely monitoring the situation, according to PTI. Senior officials from the National Center for Disease Control, IDSP, ICMR and other agencies have held response meetings and strengthened the public health precautions. The government is coordinating with various ministries and agencies to monitoring international travel from affected regions with high-end surveillance at major airports and seaports across the country. Storm and rain alert for 12 states including Bihar and Jharkhand. Indian Meteorological Department has issued a yellow alert from heatwave conditions in the nation's capital Delhi today. Weather experts have predicted the temperature could reach up to 45 degrees in next 2 days. Residents in Delhi NCR are advised to avoid stepping outside during afternoon hours. Uttarakhand is expected to see dry weather while the plains will experience intense heat. Temperature in Haridwar may exceed 40 degrees, while Dehradun, Nainital and Udham Singh Nagar are expected to see temperatures between 35 to 40 degrees. Lucknow will also reel under a severe heat today, with temperatures likely to touch 43 degrees and strong hot winds according to the discomfort. The Meteorological Department has warned that the mercury may rise across 45 degrees in upcoming days. Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat, along with the northwest and the central India as a whole, will experience severe heat and heat wave conditions throughout this week. People are advised to avoid going out in the afternoon, carry water and wear light cotton clothes.